Set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Charm away from the outside, moving up by Daryl Westerner. Survey says on the outside, Be Nice to. Then comes Jaden Song, and by Daryl Cat alongside. It's now Charm away, followed by Be Nice to. Jaden Song taking the third spot. Westerner by Daryl. Survey says Cat Dragon Lady, and Red Wine running at the tail of the field inside the last 650. Charm away by Alenkana, followed by Be Nice to. Jaden Song is running in third by Daryl as they race the last 550. Charm away, followed now by Jaden Song in second. Be Nice to racing in third from the outside, rushing up is entry number 3, Westerner, Dragon Lady. Survey says as they race the final corner. Charm away this time by about 3 lengths. Jaden Song running in second. Charm away by about 3 lengths. Jaden Song on the outside is Cat, but still Charm away by about 3 lengths. Jaden Song once again on the outside. Cat, but still Charm away by about 4, and finally Charm away second. Jaden Song, Cat, number 3, Westerner, Red Wine.